I am Said Shah, horticulturist, senior agrarian, and you are watching my YouTube channel Modern Agri Techniques. I always tried my best to teach you something about agriculture, some beneficial things, and today I am going to demonstrate our trial that is about tomato. Tomato is our basic need, as you know, being used in our food daily uses. And I have 5 plants of cherry tomato. You know, first of all, I have constructed that a tunnel. Now it is the month of last week of December, and we have built a small greenhouse tunnel with simple polyethylene sheet and some bamboos and such. Its size, you know, is very small size. But here I have planted 5 plants of cherry tomato, which is very delicious and very costly. If the other tomato is being sold at the rate of 50 rupees per kg, then its rate is always 300 rupees or rupees 400 per kg. It is very beautiful variety and best variety for salad and best variety for ketchup, etc. Now I have only these 5 plants, and the other tomato, that is a normal general potato variety. Its seed was collected from fruit, and I think it will be F3 or F4, F5. It is a normal variety, so it is a very precious variety and valuable variety. Now I am going to tell you that how we can convert that a valueless variety into a valuable variety by the technique of grafting. So I will take its sucker from that variety and I will graft it on the general variety of tomato, and after a few days I will show you its result. It means you are converting a unvaluable thing into a valuable thing, into a precious thing. So, and that is the method of grafting, vegetable grafting. It is a sucker. That is a sucker. That is a sucker of variety cherry tomato, which has also started fruiting its from side to shoot cut it back. It will call now, from horticulture point of view, it will call now sign. That is our sign variety. That is a cherry tomato, and we will again cut its leaves to check evapotranspiration. Now it is, our sign is now ready. Now that cherry tomato we will plant on the general variety, which is F3, F4, and has no any value. We will convert it into valuable cherry variety of tomato by grafting that sign, and we will take that valueless variety, common variety, as a rootstock. You please watch it. Okay. We have cut it back and we will give it cut downward. That is our rootstock. Now the cherry tomato is our sign. We are converting a general variety into our desired cherry tomato. We will give slanting cut on both sides of it. Now you can see it. We have given slanting cut on both sides of it, and we will insert that our sign cherry tomato on our stalk. Now we will wrap it with polyethylene. Then we will cover it to protect it from high evapotranspiration rate, to check its transpiration. That is called vegetable grafting. You can graft tomato on eggplant because both are from Solanaceae family. Even similarly, you can graft cucumber on other cucurbits. They can be easily grafted. So we will now again cover it, and we will keep it here for a week. When branches will come out from our sign, then when we will open that cover, no, it is we will have to wait for a week. That is our sign, and we have covered it with polyethylene at cherry tomato, and that is common tomato. And after a week, when its leaves will come out, we will cut it, and it will become our valuable cherry tomato plant. So these all are common tomatoes. We will have to convert it into different tomato top class varieties. It is an experimental unit which I have designed myself, where we are doing some research work. Thank you very much for watching my channel. I shall also show its results after a week. And please subscribe my channel to watch my other notifications. Thank you very much.